Hey, how are y'all? This is Kyle Cobb with Superior Inspections. Down beneath a house, and everyone's least favorite place to go, and oftentimes a place where they refuse to go, in the crawl space. But there's a lot of things down here that are very important to the health of a home that should always be paid attention to and regularly inspected for maintenance. The piers. So this house has concrete block piers. Sometimes piers. The timbers that make up your beams are here. They're in good shape. Solid. We have a little bit of termite activity here, but not enough to really affect the structural integrity of the timber. Up, we have our floor joists and our subflooring.
So right here on this beam, we got some subterranean termite damage. Now this is far more substantially damaged than the other beam that we saw on the other side of the crawl space. This most certainly will have affected its structural integrity and will be needing replacement.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and follow. And for more helpful information, please visit our website at superinspectors.com.